How to appear offline on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can appear offline on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to appear offline on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where you want to make sure to come to the profile icon. Tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and once you've done that, you'll find all these sorts of sections. Now you want to simply look for some options known as content and privacy or something like that. So just scroll down a little below and just look for that option here. In this case, you can find message and story replies, so I'm going to tap on message and story replies, and here you'll find the option called show activity status. Tap on it and then just turn off these toggles and your active status will get turned off. Now sometimes, because Instagram changes the layout so frequently, this option could not look like this. So instead, in the search bar also you can type in activity status, and then the search result is actually going to come up where you can select show activity status and then turn this off, and then this way you will be able to appear offline on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.